In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Dashlane extension to your Chrome browser. Dashlane is a powerful tool that helps you manage your passwords and enhance your online security, and integrating it into your browser can streamline your digital experience. Let's get started with the steps. First things first, we need to open the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by opening your Chrome browser and entering Chrome Web Store into the search bar. Alternatively, if you want to streamline the process, you can directly navigate to the Dashlane extension page in the Chrome Web Store. Once you're at the right spot, use the search functionality within the store to type in Dashlane. This will lead you to the official extension we need. Now, let's focus on getting Dashlane installed. Once you locate the Dashlane extension on the page, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click this button. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to add the extension. Confirm your choice, and Chrome will begin the installation process. This is usually a quick step and doesn't take more than a few moments. Once the installation is complete, look towards the top right-hand corner of your browser window. You may notice a puzzle piece icon there. This icon is the Extensions menu, essentially a hub for managing all your extensions. Click on this puzzle piece, and you'll see a drop-down list of extensions you've installed. Find the Dashlane icon in this list. To make the Dashlane extension more accessible, it's a great idea to pin it to your toolbar. Locate the small pin icon situated next to the Dashlane item in the list. Click it, and you'll see the Dashlane logo appear right on your toolbar next to the address bar. This makes it super convenient to access Dashlane anytime you need it without diving into menus. And there you have it. With Dashlane now added to your Chrome, you have streamlined access to your password manager, right at your fingertips. This makes logging into websites and managing passwords smoother and more secure than ever. Remember, keeping extensions up to date is crucial for maintaining security, so make sure to allow automatic updates or regularly check for them in your browser settings. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope adding Dashlane to your browser helps keep your online accounts secure and your browsing experience seamless. If you have any questions or run into any trouble during this process, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. Happy browsing and stay secure.